It's unboxing time, baby. We got that new Delta Reserve 747 credit card. This is heavy too. This feels very heavy inside, so I'm really excited to see what's going on. This is my first time opening it with you guys. I haven't touched it. The only thing I did was put some tape on it, obviously. But other than that, let's get right into it. Let's get this one open. A little ASMR. Well, let's see what's up in here. Oh, this is very nice. Now, obviously, I did come back and put some tape on there to blur some. So obviously, a lot of the paperwork and all that fun stuff, all that good jazz. So that's what's in here first. Card member agreement, part 2 of 2, summary of additional benefits, all the stuff that you guys can read on your own time. So the first thing we have is experience the legacy of the Delta Boeing 747 through augmented reality. It's pretty good. This is pretty cool. And you can scan the barcode. Actually, it's pretty cool. You'll be able to scan this barcode. I'll probably do a screenshot for you to show you what happens with that. And on the back of it, this is, again, awesome. This Delta ship is number 6307, and it lives on as a piece to your limited edition Boeing 747 Delta Sky Miles Reserve card. It's made with 25% metal from a retired Boeing 747 aircraft. And here's the flight time, the mileage, and all that good stuff for you guys. So this is, again, this is pretty awesome, guys. Delta's always doing something pretty cool for the people. Very, very, very nice right here. Very, very nice piece of metal and whatever the rest of it is. Let me give you some ASMR for the sound. But guys, check this out. First flight, 6/28/1990. That's before I was born. Last flight was in 2017 on November 18th. Number, the flight number, Boeing 747-451, and it flew 68 million miles. 68 million miles is amazing right there. You can fill the plane on here. This is something that's limited edition. I had to get it. If you already have this card, you can go to the American Express website and go ahead and ask for the replacement card, and I'll go ahead and give it to you. The ending date is in August, so keep that in mind. If you want this card, you need to act on it now or while supplies last. I don't expect supplies to last until August. I expect this card to be very much sought after with it being limited. This is the Delta Reserve card. This card is a $550 annual fee. There are so many benefits with this card. One of them being the every year upon renewal, you get a first class or main cabin companion pass domestically within the 50 states. What that means is you pay for your first class ticket or you pay for your main class ticket, and whoever you come with will only have to pay taxes and fees on the ticket. If you do want to get this card, the link down below is to support the channel. You can click on that if you want to. Not obligated to do so, but it does help support the channel. You guys know that I am an aviation geek, nerd, lover, supporter, whatever you want to call it. Half of my collection is missing because I just moved across countries. Please give me some time to get everything back up and running, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In this video was some B-roll for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about it. Are you guys going to get this card? Are you passing on it? Do you have the card? And what other questions do you have? Let me know down below. I'll talk to you all soon. Be safe.